Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by diagnosing the Honda Civic screen problem methodically. Confirm vehicle battery voltage is stable at 12V before testing the infotainment screen using a multimeter at the battery terminals. Note whether the screen is black, flickering, shows graphics, or reports software errors. Each symptom points to different causes. Check whether other accessories like radio or lights work to isolate power versus screen fault. Inspect fuses related to infotainment, typically labeled a /V or radio, and check for blown 10A or 15A fuses before proceeding. Power off the vehicle and remove the key. Then remove the trim panels with plastic trim tools to expose screws and connectors behind the screen. Remove the 8mm screws holding the display bezel and gently pull the unit out to reveal the rear connectors. Disconnect the 12V power connector and the display ribbon cable before attempting further repair to avoid shorting. Inspect connectors for corrosion or loose pins and clean with electronic contact cleaner if needed, and reseat each cable firmly to its locking position. With connectors reseated, attempt a software reset. Perform a factory reset via settings or by holding the power and volume buttons for 10 seconds to force a reboot. If the screen remains unresponsive or shows hardware artifacts, replace the screen or head unit using OEM parts and follow the reverse disassembly. Secure the 8mm screws to hand-tight torque and reconnect the 12V power. After reassembly, verify touchscreen calibration, Bluetooth pairing, and audio function before driving. Confirm no warning lights appear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.